Business is the engine that keeps the world turning. It's the source of products, livelihoods, and opportunities. Hi, I'm Terry Bradshaw. Whether your focus is B2B or B2C, join me as we explore some of today's leading enterprises. Oil and gas continue to impact every human life. Let's take a closer look at recent developments in this vital industry.
Getting crude oil from the field to the gas pump is not cheap. Shipping via pipeline is one of the most common methods, but it can be one of the most expensive. In order to ship crude via pipeline, diluent has to be added to the mix to thin the oil and make it easier to pump down the pipeline. That diluent then has to be separated back out in order to sell the finished product. To make matters worse, pipelines are often at capacity.
Rail is attractive to a lot of crude oil shippers for many reasons. One of the main benefits is that the shipping of the product by rail from Canada to the U.S. does not require the addition of diluent, up to 30% for pipelines, which leads to pipeline capacity constraints and congestion, and changes the overall composition of the oil. Loading crude oil onto rail cars solves these issues and allows producers to fetch a higher price per barrel.
At Fortress Engineering, we feel that crude oil by rail is an excellent alternative to pipelines. It allows our customers to ship their product with less diluent, thereby reducing overall cost, providing a competitive alternative to shipping by pipeline.
Oil by rail is emerging as an efficient and effective alternative of transporting crude. Not only does rail require less diluent, it covers more markets than pipeline and allows for bidirectional movement, meaning product can flow both ways.
Oil on rail is a dedicated transportation medium specific to our client's product. It allows them to load an undiluted product and fetch a higher price. Also, with the existing rail infrastructure in place, rail terminals can be built quicker and less expensive than pipelines.
Fortress Engineering is a firm that specializes in the design of rail terminals, as well as rail and truck loading and unloading facilities. With over 200 full-time and part-time contractors, Fortress has completed 8 rail terminals of varying scope and size, with plans to build 4 more. In addition to rail terminals, the firm also designs tank storage, pump stations, pipelines, gathering systems, and custody transfer metering.
Fortress Engineering draws up the complete engineering package, or the assembly manual on how to build the facility. We draw on process engineering, mechanical, civil, structural, electrical, instrumentation and controls, and programming and automation. We coordinate these disciplines with strong scope, schedule, and cost management.
One of Fortress's most notable projects is a $100 million unit train terminal. Using a permanent above-ground loading rack, the terminal moves both light and heavy product from pipeline to rail car. More than 70,000 barrels a day get trucked and piped from nearby oil sands. Rail loading facilities include 20 stations with loading and venting arms, 10 unloading bays with pumps, and storage for over 300 rail cars. The operation is so massive, it even includes 3 80,000-barrel crude storage tanks with small tank storage for blending.
We wanted to partner with Fortress Engineering because of their excellent reputation in the industry. Fortress can supply clients with the engineering and technical expertise, while Geometrics can help manage the crude oil rail shipments, from the loading terminal to the whole rail movement to delivery. Our tracking system allows customers to view what's in the rail car and where it is located, all in real time, adding a level of safety.
Transporting oil by rail is not only efficient, it's also very safe. The combination of Fortress's proven experience and rigorous hazard analysis ensures all facilities meet the safety requirements of clients, the industry, and the public.
At Fortress Engineering, safety is critical in everything we do. In this industry, there's always a risk for a serious incident. We design our facilities using the safest proven technology to ensure that the facility can be operated in a safe manner. The desire to just get going cannot outweigh the need for public safety.
Oil on rail is not a new concept. What has changed is we've taken an older method of transporting oil and combined it with expert engineering and the latest proven technology. We recognize that our clients needed a safer alternative to pipelines. Fortress has become a leader in this area with our vast knowledge, years of experience, and innovation.